Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from PayPal to Venmo. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from PayPal to Venmo, the first thing to do, which is the best method, is to send using Visa, which is a direct transfer between PayPal and Venmo. So here's the first step, which is to set up your Visa in PayPal. So open the PayPal app on your mobile device. Then from there, tap the menu icon and select Send and Receive with Visa Plus. Then follow the prompt to verify your identity if required. Then from there, you have to create your unique Visa Plus payment name. For example, your name, or for on your PayPal, can use that. And here's a key important note. Note that this pay name cannot be changed once set. So if you want to set up a name, you have to think very well. You can simply use your pay tag name as well. Then after that, tap Agreed and Activate to finalize your Visa Plus profile setup. Then here's the step 2, which is to send money from your PayPal to Venmo. So in the PayPal app, go to the Send and Receive with Visa Plus, then tap on Send. Then from there, enter the recipient Visa Plus pay name, which is recipient name.venmo. Then input the amount you wish to send, then confirm the recipient's details, including the last 4 digits of their phone number to ensure accuracy. Then review the payment details and tap Next to complete the transfer. And that's how you can simply send money from PayPal to Venmo. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.